Hello everyone, welcome to your Tahiti Dance classes with me, teacher Bea. Today we are going to focus on the ARAPU, the fast circular motion that we use with the hips, and we're gonna go at it step by step. For my newbies here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go, let's get dancing. So first, check your posture, bend your knees, feet together, and make sure to tuck your pelvis in with a back straight. Like this. Tuck your pelvis in. There you go. And we start like this. We have the feet together and your knees are going to move along with the motion of your hips. When you make a circle with your hips, make sure that your knees are moving like this. Don't lock them. Okay, have them flexible. So it's like squeezing forward like this. It makes a crease in the front, and that's when you see that you are really pushing your pelvis forward and backwards. And that's how a ARAPU should look like. It looks like this on the side. Make sure not to move your back and upper body. And you see that the knees are really moving along with the circles that you make with your hips. So let's practice. Ready? So let's roll, make circles. Roll on one side, your favorite side. Keep going, few more. Focus on moving the pelvis only. And don't move your arms. Make it round and fast. Keep going. Few more. Very good. So now we're going to go a bit faster. Ready? And go. Roll those hips. Don't move your arms. Few more. Well done. Now we're going to do 4 rounds, going slow at different speed. The first round is going to alternate medium speed and slow. Ready and roll. And slow. And roll again. Keep going. Few more. Keep going. You're doing great. Few more. Awesome. So the second round is going to go at medium speed non-stop. No slow, no breaks. Ready and go. Breathe and focus on moving your pelvis only. Make sure that your arms are not moving. And keep going. Try to keep it at the same pace throughout the whole process. Few more. You're doing fantastic. Keep pushing a little bit more. You got this. And last one. And release. Well done. So now we're going to go for 2 more rounds at a fast and steady pace. So we go a little bit faster and we try to keep the same pace. Go. Awesome. Breathe in, breathe out. Make sure to have your knees that are flexible and keep going. Just few more seconds. You got this. Last one. And release. Well done. Now we're going to go for one last round at a faster and steady pace. today's basics class. Comment below, tell me how it was for you. I hope you had fun and had a great workout with me today. Come and join me for more classes. You have the links below. And I see you all very soon for our next class. Bye.